Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today let's continue our MS Excel journey and learn something new. Till today we have learned the very basic functions of the MS Excel. I have taught you the very basic functions in MS Excel, that is how can we use wrap test, merge and center, how can we use the alignment, number formatting and many more basic functions. Today we'll perform a little bit of higher function. So while finding out the insights from the data, or while organizing the data the way you are required to organize it, if you are finding any difficulties, this video is for you. Today I'll be telling you how can we use the sort functions in the MS Excel and get our work done. Now, sort function is useful when we want to sort the data according to our needs or the way we want it. As usual, we'll directly go to the MS Excel and see how can we use the sort function. We will use the same data or the same Excel which we have used in the previous video to help us learn how can we use the sort function in our MS Excel. So this is the data which I have used in the previous video as well. If you have not watched my previous video, you can watch it by going to my channel and start learning MS Excel from the very basics. We'll see how can we use sort functions. To use the sort function, you need to make sure that you are present. You place your cursor or your cell in the data where the data is written and not anywhere outside wherever the data is not written. Now over here you can see that from A column to the E column there is the data written, for which we are going to use the sort function. So I need to place my cursor on the data wherever the data is present and not somewhere outside wherever my data is not present. Now firstly I'll keep my cursor on the place where the data is present. The next step is to go to the sort and filters option present in the Home tab. If you can see over here, under the Home tab, under editing section, there is an option called as sort and filter. If we click on the drop down button, it asks for us to apply the filter over here. If we click on this, you see that the drop down box appears in the first row of the MS Excel worksheet, specifying that the filter is applied to the MS Excel worksheet. Now, if you want to remove it, you just need to again click on the filter present in the filter and sort and filter option in the Home tab. Now, there is a shortcut key to enable the filter function, that is Ctrl plus Shift and L. If you press Ctrl plus Shift and N, the shortcut key enables, which helps you to apply the filter in the MS Excel worksheet. This was the shortcut key for our filter option to get enabled. Now we'll see how can we use the filter or sort function over here. Now you can see that over here at the day column, that is at my C column, I have the days written over here, that is from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday and continuing further. Now I want to apply a sort function over here, that is I want to arrange it in an ascending order from A, B, C, D rather than it being jumbled up over here. So to enable that, what do I need to do is come to the drop down box over here. If I click on it, a finger type icon will appear and click on it. Then comes the option over there to apply sort A to Z. That is, your data gets enabled from the ascending order, that is from A to Z, and sort Z to A is the just opposite of it, that tells it sorts from Z to A, that is in the descending order if we talk about the alphabet series. Now I click on A to Z and you see that my data gets changed over here, that is it gets represented in the ascending order. You can verify it manually by seeing that FMS T, it goes on continuing in an ascending order. If you have noticed over here, not only the C column gets arranged in the ascending order, rather every column present in the data or the MS Excel worksheet wherever the filter is applied gets changed according to the C column. And if you want to check whether the filter or the sort function is applied, you can see that the icon displayed over here is different from the icon displayed in the other four columns. To get it to back, I'll simply click over here and I'll press A to Z, and you see nothing appears because the only option present to you to bring your data to the normal is to press Ctrl and Z, that is the undo option, and you see your data gets replaced to the original. Now one thing to make sure is that if I apply a sort over here, that is a sort from A to Z at the day column, and if I want to sort my month also in a to Z series, I can do that, but you see a difference over here, that is if I sort my April month, after sorting my day column, you see that the sort function present in the day gets removed and it will get applied in the B column. This is, you need to remember that the sort function only applies once in the selected range. That is, you cannot assign the sort function to two or more than one column in the MS Excel. Here you can also change back by clicking a Ctrl plus Z button, that is simply undoing your data. This was regarding the sorting of the function in the MS Excel. To make sure that you can enable the sort function or you can apply the sort in more than one column or row in the MS Excel, there is something called as a filter option or a function present in the MS Excel. I will come up and teach you how can we use the filter option in the coming videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any learnings in the MS Excel. This was it for the day, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and again make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also like, share and subscribe if you have learned something from me. Thank you. Thank you for joining. This is your friend Suraj signing off. Bye.